So hello guys, welcome to my today's vlog, and get started with a very positive note. My father gifted me a Lenovo laptop, which is the IdeaPad S145, and this laptop is basically for my study purposes. As all my physics-wallahs and school classes are going, I have to do 7 hours classes per day, so this laptop is really necessary, and this is basically helps me for my studies. It just arrived today. Actually, I was not able to shoot anything since morning. I actually started shooting since 3 o'clock only because I was very excited for this laptop, and that's why I was not able to shoot anything. From 3 to 4:30 I basically did my biology class, the same chapter. I'm doing it from days. Actually, in schools it takes many days to do a chapter, as we do it very thoroughly, and it's just 1.5 hour session. So we are continuing with this chapter, and I think this chapter will take 10 to 15 days. It's a quite big chapter with all cockroach and earthworm in it. So guys, after doing this session I was a little tired and was feeling a little sleepy also, so I made my coffee and watched some news as always, and I also watch new videos of I've also watched comedy videos like Harsh Beniwal and all. I watched his new video recently, Heer versus Veer, and then you can have a look at the notes that I made during the class. This is a cell junction note diagram, which is very important. This shows types of cell junction. Guys, you can have a look at my notes that I have made, and I have made it a little colorful, and this chapter is quite interesting for me. Here I have also made a diagram of epithelium cells. You can have a look. This is a very good diagram explained by Sampati ma'am. And then I started solving some DPPs which was given to me as homework from my school. So guys, this DPP was about the mole concept that we are studying currently in the school, and after that I did some other works and applied stickers on my new notebooks and such things. And then I also did one bio DPP which was just had 15 questions, and it just took 10 minutes to solve. You can solve bio DPPs, like bio questions, very easily and very fast if we know what is given. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please like and comment, and it gives me great motivation to make such videos. I'll sure be coming with my timetable. I hope you like it. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.